Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets step by step. Highlighting duplicates makes it easy to identify repeated values in your data without removing them. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file in your browser. Next, select the range of cells where you want to check for duplicate values. Once you've selected your data, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, select Conditional Formatting. A Conditional Format Rules panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Under Format Rules, click the drop-down menu that usually says Is Empty or Custom Formula Is. From the list of options, choose Custom Formula Is. Now enter a formula that checks for duplicate values in your selected range. After entering the formula, choose the formatting style you want to apply to duplicate values, such as a different fill color or text color. You can click the Fill Color option and select any color you prefer to make duplicates stand out. Once you've chosen your formatting style, click Done. Google Sheets will immediately highlight all duplicate values in the selected range. If you want to change or remove the highlighting later, simply return to Format, select Conditional Formatting, and edit or delete the rule from the panel. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.